Welcome to this Tech News Fix It channel, and we're going to talk about tracking a little bit because as we, of course, started 2021, one of the things that we kind of learned is, first of all, the effort that Google wants to put into changing the way things are on the internet with tracking, but also looking at how a lot of companies are changing their ways of thinking of tracking also, including Apple, that is now telling, editors, well, your apps, they got to really be a little more transparent on what's happening. And that's the key to the tracking. The problem with the tracking in so many different ways of being tracked online is that it is almost invisible. We don't know, we don't see anything, and it gets to a point where a lot of us seem, clueless, and we are pretty much, because we don't know what's happening under the hood with the apps we're using. We don't know what's happening under the hood with even just going on websites. And at some point, what happens is that we need to know more about tracking and the ways that everything are done on the web. I think one of the biggest problems with people going crazy and wanting to use software to stop the tracking and the ads and everything is exactly what it is. The fact that these companies are not transparent and letting us understand and know what is actually being tracked. And that scares a lot of people, and it's understandable because we don't know what they are doing with our information. So depending on what you do, where you go, what exactly do companies actually get on us as information, it becomes a big problem. And I think that there should be a huge change. And the way that things are done, tracking is not going to go away because it's a way for advertisers to be able to know what you want. And the problem, isn't the fact that there's tracking. The problem is the fact that we don't know who, how, and how many trackers are following. That is the problem. Not that we're necessarily tracked with the information we have. So let's hope that 2021 improves upon that for sure. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.